going on, everybody? It's me, Jordan, and welcome back to my first unboxing video. And if you could tell, I'm here with my 12-inch classic Sonic, and now he has a buddy now, and that is Tails. We're gonna unbox him, and let me show you the box before we start this unboxing video. So we got the side. This thing, when I got it, it was like that. Then we get to see his back, his cute picture of classic Tails himself. And now we get to the other side. And now, let's get with the unboxing. So I got my pair of scissors right here. And I'm going to put my camera down. So, yeah. Okay. Now, come on. Okay. Gotta be careful on this one, okay? Okay, we're almost done. We're almost done, everybody. Okay, don't worry everyone, we're almost done. Oh. Here he is. Sorry. Here he is. Tails. We're gonna keep this box because on the back he has his cute face, so we're gonna keep that. And let's do a comparison. But before we do a comparison with classic Sonic, let's take a look at the classic Tails. His tails look pretty good. I like his tails. Oh, sorry. Just making sure, because one of them was attached to his butt. Oh, wait. Butt. Okay, so, alright. And then they use the same material as the Classic Sonic. He looks cute. His eyes look just like the 25th anniversary. This is my first unboxing video, and probably it's gonna be uploaded for YouTube. Okay, now we're gonna do a comparison with Classic Tails with Classic Sonic. So let's put them right next to each other. Sorry about that. Okay. So if you could tell, Tails is taller than Sonic. I'll show you a review on this, but yeah, this looks like Tails is bigger than Sonic. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or should I say unboxing video, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.